What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a Christmas minion. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So just line up the top of that circle. Just going to bring that in and down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. Starting from the left side, draw a small circle going around and then in, and line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye, going all the way around. Now you want to place the pupil in the center of the eye. Let's start underneath the highlight and draw a small circle going all the way around and then out. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now from here on, trace the eyes along the outside, but we want to connect it in the center. So let's start right in the middle, start with a point. Let's start tracing out the left eye, going all the way around. Just try to leave an even space gap. Coming down towards the bottom, and then we'll pull that in and go around the right eye. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left side, curve the top of the mouth coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth coming down and then up. Now we're going to add 4 teeth along the top, starting in the center. Let's start with the left. We're going to come down and up, go back to the center, come down and up on the right. Let's add 1 more tooth on either side. Let's add a curve along the bottom of the mouth for the tongue, going up and down, and we'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Let's add that strap on the side of the eyes. Let's start from the top left, draw a straight line going out, and we'll line that up on the right. Let's come down, draw that same length line, and then we'll close off the ends with a straight vertical line. Let's add 1 more line in the center. Let's connect the center of the strap with a curve from the bottom edge of the hat. We'll start on the left. We're going to bend this up around the eyes, in towards the center, and just bring that down on the right. Let's round out the side of the hat brim, starting back on the left, bend this out, and then in. And I'll connect the top with another curve, going up and then back down. Now we're going to flop the hat over towards the right side. So let's start on the top left side of the hat brim, curve the hat going up, and then bend that in towards the middle. And we're going to bend this out and then down on the right side of the head. Let's add a circle along the bottom, coming in and back up towards the top. Now I'm going to go to the top right side of the hat and add a fold. I'm going to go up, and then that in. Now from the circle, we're going to step in, curve this in and back in behind the hat. Now let's go back and draw the side of the head. Starting underneath the strap on the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the collar. Do the same thing on the right, just lining it up along the bottom. Let's add the edge of the collar, starting on the left, coming down, just bend that in. We want to leave a gap in the center. And we'll curve this in and then down towards the center point. Now I'm going to wrap the collar around the side of the head. From this point, let's step up, bend this around, and then down. And then from here, it's going to follow that same curve, coming in towards the middle. Now we want to move out and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the collar, curve the body going out and then down. Go all the way over towards the right side. I'm just going to line this up, go out and down towards the same height. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, going down and then up. Let's add that thick trim along the side of the body, curving around and in. And then again, we'll connect the ends with another curve, going down and then up. Let's go back and add in the buckle. Leaving a large gap in the center, start on the left, draw a straight line going up, go over towards the right, do the same thing, and then we'll close off the top. Let's trace this buckle along the inside. And then from the top corners of the buckle, we're going to step down, curve the belt going out, and then up towards the side of the body. Now I want to go back and finish off that trim. Starting on the left, bend this around, and come straight down in behind the top of the buckle. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a small gap in the center. Step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and draw that same length line. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the foot, we're going to go up, and then bend that down towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now from the top of the foot, we step out, curve the leg going out, and then up underneath the body. Let's add a trim, come down, and then up. Line this up on the right side. We also want to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. So let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And now we're going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, and we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle coming in and back out for the thumb, and close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 2 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and bend the finger going up around that bracket. Let's step down, curve the second finger going out, bend the arm coming up and in towards the bottom corner of the collar. And now we're going to add in the cuff. Starting from the top of the thumb, we bend this up and then out. Let's step up and draw that same curve coming in. And we'll finish off by sanding our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Christmas minion. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.